We are very, very grateful to Bhagwan for actually taking us very close. For about 2.5 decades, Swami has actually directed us on every important aspect of how we should actually behave in the society. As I was being introduced, we just started in a very small group, three of us, me, another brother called Uday Bhaskar and Shekhar. In 1985, the 60th birthday of Bhagwan, there were loads and loads of trucks coming from different parts of the country. Rice, atta. So we thought, why should we incur money to Bhagwan by getting some coolies to unload this? Why don't we actually help Bhagwan to reduce the cost? And that is when we started actually this activity of canteen work. So we used to unload about 100 trucks in 3 days, load it up. We used to do this continuously. And then Swami suddenly came one day and said, where are my Sai Hamalis? So that is how this Sai Hamalis, this 3-member team actually grew up into a big team that Swami wanted to take it forward in his mission. So from that day, we consolidated ourselves, and slowly, in the year 1990, about 15 of us got together. We wanted to do something very adventurous. So we thought, let's go on bicycles to Puttaparthi to have darshan of Bhagwan. Youngsters like you want everything to be very adventurous. So this is the same kind of spirit that we had. And we started from Hyderabad on bicycles. We had some slogans on the cycles. We had 1 kg rice on each of the cycles and started pedaling from Hyderabad. Not knowing that it was a 475 kilometers difficult task. We were young, we were very adventurous. We started off. So midway when we came till Kurnool, we came to know Bhagwan left for Vrindavan. Swami, is a very playful Swami, we all know. And we thought, my God, till Nandyal we were very good. After that, we couldn't even bicycle. But we made it up till Kurnool, then we came to know this. We decided we have to go to Bangalore. And our journey from I to we, from university to universality actually started in Vrindavan. Right ahead here, there was a big tree. The Krishna statue was there. All our bicycles were parked there, and we were all standing. Swami, in fact, we had the habit of giving telegrams to Bhagwan. Whatever good work we used to do, we used to give telegrams to Bhagwan. Whatever bad mischief also we used to do, we used to send telegrams to Bhagwan. We had the connect with Bhagwan always. So Swami came here, then he saw all the bicycles. Then after that, he came for darshan here. Then he sent word to us to come inside. And that was our first entry as a group of Hyderabad into Trai sessions. So Swami gave us an interview for about 1.5 months. 1.5 hours. It was a wonderful interview. At the end of it, as he ushered us outside, we were just walking out here. Then suddenly Swami sent somebody saying, call those boys back. So all of us ran inside the Trai inside. Swami went inside, closed the doors and said, I wanted to tell you something very important. I forgot. Let this be your first message to go forward in the path of Seva. Then Swami narrated a beautiful story. He said, one day, a Brahmin came to Karna. Karna was actually in the midst of a meeting, and he had some money in his hand, a bag full of gold coins. And this Brahmin came up and asked Karna to donate actually. So immediately Karna took the money that he had in his left hand and gave it to the Brahmin. So the Brahmin was very, very surprised. He said, Karna, you are such a learned scholar. How is it that you are donating something to me with your left hand? Don't you know that you should do it with the right hand? Then Karna pleaded and said, Oh Brahmin, this mind is a monkey mind. It might change its thought, or it might move in a split of a second, it might change its decision. I didn't want my left hand to move to my right hand and the bag to move to the right hand and then donate it. The mind might be so different in action. So I didn't want to take the chance of getting this opportunity. That is the reason I donated with my left hand. Pardon me. And Swami said, children, this is what I want you to learn today. If you want to do a good deed, if you want to do a good work, do not hesitate or postpone it even for a 1/1,000,000th of a second. Do it immediately. Swami's directions was, if you want to do good, do it immediately. At that spot, do it. But if you want to do something bad, if you have something that you want to do negative, Swami said, postpone it to the maximum time possible. Just keep it postponing. Don't let it. So Swami said, take this message back home. Tell other youth also that this is the most important message that Bhagwan is giving the youth today. So dear brothers and sisters, I just thought that this is something that I should share with you. Please, if you have a bad thought, postpone it. If a good thought,